Of Allah, the most beneficent, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Learn. Friends, today we learn how to edit the photos of your birthday and how you can edit the songs. These are very easy. Just you have to select the pictures and you need a song. So first of all, you have to go Play Store. Then you have to write here Love Video Maker. Love Video Maker. Then you will select this. Here is already installed. Okay, now you will open this. Here is two things written: my video and video maker. My video will show the your creation of your video which you will create it. So when you will create, then you can go here. First of all, we have to go video maker. Then we have to select the pictures. Here you can select more than 50 picture, means you can select it the 60 picture in a one video easily. I selected this. Here is written the start. I selected 5 pictures, means 55 picture more I can select. You are seeing the new cell phone. This is my new cell phone. I purchased it. And friend, still you don't like and subscribe, so kindly like and subscribe. Okay, here is the duration. You can apply this. Then music you can add audio. You can take the filter, any filter you can take, whatever you want. And you want to run editor, if you want to, you can edit any text, anything, blur, sticker, filter, border, you can do this. And the most and beautiful thing, theme, you can do the theme easily. There are the many themes: holiday, Christmas, birthday, new year, and many themes are here. You can see by yourself. And after this process, what you have to do, you have to save your video. What you have to do, you have to must save your video. This is save my video. You can see now this is created, but now I didn't edit the song. You can edit the song. Friend, still you don't like and subscribe my channel, so kindly like and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos. Thank you for watching video.